Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. We're here at Fairfield by Marriott in New York City on 36th Street. You like the shower? It's nice and big. There, cool sink. We get Paul Mitchell products, so that's nice. And out here we have a little desk area, king size bed. You can stream your favorite content, sign in to Netflix, Prime, or YouTube. So it gives us a view of New York City there, like the lights. You get charging ports right by the bed, so that's good. And here's a view out the window of actual New York City. This is a brand new hotel, about a year old. Completely new in New York City by Times Square, and they don't charge the extra fees here, so that's nice. And then here's the temperature control unit right here. Lights up as you get closer, that's cool. And some more charging ports. This is Fairfield by Marriott. Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram.